Let us drive. How many wheels we got? Just 2? Mm-hmm. Yeah. Cool bean. Nice. Yeah. This button. One, two, 1, 2. Okay, let's put this one here instead. Don't go in there. Shit. Well, I guess we're finishing the build down there. Whee! Oh shit. Holy shit, it works. I mean, not really. I need more counterweight. Up there like that. Man. Oh, poor guy. Oh look, more parts. Trust me guys, I'm an engineer. The worst vehicle. My noble steed. Meow. I guess I need to put a wheel on that side too. German engineering maybe. Perfect. Fuck off Tesla, you got nothing on me. Yep. Really easy to mount the vehicle. Oh yeah, this is the future, mate. Wheels spin and everything. Yeah, talk to him. I did it.